OpenAI just pushed a new Codex update, and I don't think people realize how big this actually is. On the surface, it looks like a boring little patch. But underneath it, there is a string of changes that just turn Codex from a coding helper into something way bigger. Stick with me. Because by the end of this, you're going to see why this update matters, even if you've never written a line of code in your life. I am the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's start with what actually came out. OpenAI released Codex version 0.1443 this week. On its own, that's a small release. It's what they call a version-only patch, meaning no flashy new feature attached to that exact number. But here's the thing. That tiny patch is sitting on top of a wave of much bigger changes that landed over the last few weeks. And those changes are the real story here, not the version number. Here's the part that matters most. Codex Remote just became fully available to everyone. That means you can now open the ChatGPT app on your phone, connect it to your Mac or your Windows computer, and control Codex from your pocket. You watch it work, you approve what it does, and you can do this from anywhere. To connect, you just scan a QR code that pairs your phone to your computer so only your device can control your machine. Think about what that actually means. A year ago, Codex mostly lived in a terminal window on your computer and you had to sit there and babysit it the whole time. Now, it can be running on a connected computer while you check in on it from your phone at the store, in your car, or out on a walk. That's a real jump in how these tools work, not just a small update. There's another piece worth knowing about a new approval mode. Before, Codex would stop and ask you before doing almost anything, which slows you down constantly. Now, in this new mode, Codex can go ahead and do safe, read-only actions on its own, things like looking at files or checking your project without asking. But the second it wants to write, change, or delete something, it stops and asks you first. Think of it like a helper who can look around your house freely but has to ask before moving your furniture. On top of that, OpenAI added a new plugin that connects Codex straight to DigitalOcean. In plain terms, that means Codex can now set up a whole separate computer in the cloud, connect to it safely, and use that as its own workspace without you doing any of the setup by hand. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Here's where it gets even more interesting. OpenAI added settings that let Codex hand off small tasks to other mini versions of itself while it keeps working on the main job. You can turn this off completely, let it ask you first, or let it happen fully automatically. What that means is one Codex session can now split work between multiple tasks at once, instead of doing everything one step at a time like before. And on top of that, Codex picked up a smarter way to search the web called indexed web search. It can look things up live, but it's only allowed to open pages that OpenAI has already checked and approved. That keeps it fast and it keeps it safer at the same time. Now, I get it. A version-only patch called 0.1443 doesn't sound exciting on paper. But look at everything that built up to it. Remote control from your phone, smarter approval rules, cloud workspace setup, multi-agent handoffs, and safer web search. That's not one small patch. That's months of real upgrades all landing close together. And if you're sitting here thinking this only matters if you're a coder, it doesn't. It matters for anyone running a business, a community, or a side project, because at the end of the day, these updates are really about saving you time and cutting out busy work you'd normally have to do by hand. The tools that used to only make sense for developers are quietly turning into tools that make sense for anyone trying to run things faster. So let's talk about how this actually plays out day to day, because that's where it gets useful. Say, you wanted to turn rough notes about something into a clean, finished page people could actually read. Before, that meant sitting down and writing it yourself, start to finish, formatting it, checking it, and probably rewriting half of it. Now, you can hand Codex the rough notes, tell it to turn them into something simple and beginner friendly, and it goes and builds it, checking its own work along the way, instead of you doing every step by hand. Or say you wanted to build out a simple landing page explaining what you do in plain words, what someone gets, how it saves them time. Normally, that's a job for a designer or a developer, and it usually takes days of back and forth. Now it's one clear prompt, and you've got a working page the same day. There's also a version of this where you use Codex to look back through common questions people keep asking you, group them by topic, and turn them into a simple page where someone can search and get a straight answer instead of messaging you directly every time. That's a real time saver if you're running any kind of group or audience where the same questions come up over and over. That's the shift here. It's not about flashy demos, it's about getting real chunks of your time back. Here's where I think this is heading. OpenAI has been shipping Codex updates roughly every few days this year. Remote control just became widely available. Multi-agent handoffs just landed. A cloud workspace plugin just shipped. If that pace holds, the next few months are probably going to bring even more ways to hand off entire chunks of work and just check in and approve instead of doing every single step by hand yourself. And that's the real story behind an update that looks on paper like nothing more than a tiny version bump. So, to recap, remote control from your phone is now fully live. There's a smarter approval mode, so it's not constantly stopping to ask permission for harmless stuff. There's a direct plugin into cloud. Workspaces, so it can set up its own environment. It can now split work across multiple mini versions of itself, and it's got safer, faster web search built in. Individually, some of those sound small. Stacked together, what you're actually looking at is a tool that's moved from something you had to babysit line by line to something you can hand real chunks of work to and just check in on. If you're building anything online right now, content, a business, a community, this is exactly the kind of update worth paying attention to, because the people who actually set these tools up properly are the ones pulling ahead while everyone else is still doing things the slow way. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.